Did you know there's a place on Earth that's been burning for over 50 years? Welcome to the Darvaza gas crater in Turkmenistan, better known as the Door to Hell. In the middle of the Karakum Desert lies this fiery pit that's been burning nonstop since 1971. But here's the wild part. It wasn't nature that set it on fire, it was humans. The story goes that Soviet scientists were drilling for natural gas in this area when the ground suddenly collapsed, forming a massive crater. To prevent the spread of toxic gas, they decided to set it on fire, thinking it would burn out in a few weeks. Well, that was over 50 years ago, and it's still burning strong. This 230-foot wide crater has been spewing flames ever since, turning it into a natural and accidental wonder. The sight of it is both eerie and mesmerizing, especially at night when the glow can be seen from miles away. Standing at the edge of the Door to Hell feels like you're peering into another world. It's a reminder of how unpredictable our planet can be and how even our best intentions can create something entirely unexpected. Whether you see it as a cautionary tale or just a fascinating curiosity, the Darvaza gas crater is one of the most striking examples of how nature and human activity can collide to create something truly unforgettable.